Hey, this is Brent DeMartini here at DeMartini RV, and today I want to show you our new floor plan from the Berkshire XL. This is the 40D. So we have a 2019 here in the showroom, and this is the suede exterior color. This is a 380 horse Cummins ISL engine, so it's got 1150 foot-pounds of torque. There's 3 roof airs on this coach, a 10 kilowatt Onan diesel generator. But the real thing that I want to show you is the floor plan. So come on inside and we'll take a look. So here we are on the inside of the 2019 Berkshire XL 40D. So this is a great new floor plan. As you can see, starting off here, you have 2 giant recliners. They're going to be really comfortable. The theater seating there with the cup holders. You got storage in between them, and those fully recline. So you can see how nice this could be. Just across from that, you have a huge Samsung TV on a televator lift, so that actually goes down and you can use the window behind it so that you can get some more light in here when you're not watching TV. And a love seat couch below that. This comes with the table and chairs, which can be a little more versatile. It's got like a buffet style countertop up top. You can slide this out, and you can add 2 more chairs there, folding chairs if you want. And it's also got storage that can be used kind of like a desk. You have a full residential refrigerator here. This is got a side opening door on either side, as well as a pull-out freezer below. So there's just a lot of space in there. What's cool about the floor plan is that it's really open, so like getting in and out of the fridge is not a big deal. You have a huge hallway here because of the full wall slide. Now also, this is their new thing where they've got the electronic latch, so you just press on that button and that releases it. So you don't have to worry about this sliding out going down the road, but there is quite a bit of storage there. And just below that, they've also got the trash can. And moving on over here across the way, we have the kitchen. You have the LED lit accent there as well as below. And man, look at all of this storage up here. I haven't seen a whole lot of motorhomes with that much storage overhead in the cabinets in the kitchen. Pretty nice there. And then also just how deep we've got these countertops, so all the stuff that you just leave on the counter, you know, soaps or whatever, you can just have back there out of the way, and you have plenty of room for all of that stuff. We've got backsplashes, we've got a pull-up charging port there, an undermount stainless sink, 2 sides with Corian countertops. They're removable, and this is the executive dark cherry cabinetry. Really high-end, nice-looking cabinetry. Lots of storage under there. Space for your countertops. And these are some pretty deep drawers. A dishwasher. The Berkshire XL comes with a dishwasher, so it's a really nice option that they just included in these. You can, even if you don't need to use it as a dishwasher, you can use that to store pots and pans in. Nice big drawer there, and they've switched to an induction cooktop so that you can boil water a little faster. And you've got your convection microwave up here. So here we are in the half bath, since this is a bath and a half model. This, if you'll notice, you have plenty of room in between the toilet and the door. There's a lot of room there, so, and you have pretty decent counter space for a half bath and some deep storage here as well. So nicely finished, nicely appointed half bath. Then moving on to the bedroom. Since we've got this full wall slide here, it really opens up to where you have plenty of room to do stuff, getting changed or whatever. This is a king bed. This bed actually does not need to tilt to get the slides in. It's not a tilting bed, so you don't have to worry about not being able to sleep on your bed while you're going down the road. And you get a window on either side because it slides out by itself. Then across from the bed here, you have plenty of room for your clothes. What they've done here is they've raised this up to where you have a little bit more of a shelf. You've gained this one more drawer, and the TV's up here, and you get like a 110 outlet there. Nice deep storage on the cabinets here. They actually include a safe in the bedroom. Just a little nice option that a lot of motorhomes neglect. Then here you get this extra wardrobe, so you've got a dual hanging bar there, and it's really nice and accessible. You have another hang bar over here in the bathroom, and pretty nice huge bathroom here, because you're obviously in a bath and a half you're going to get a big back bathroom, but pretty good sized shower. I've noticed I'm 6 foot and I can fit in there with probably, I don't know, 6 inches of room, so can fit some tall people in there. You've got nice big sink with a lot of space here in the vanity for storage, and huge storage underneath. Stacked washer dryer. Those are Whirlpool appliances. You've got a Tekka macerator toilet, and just a really nicely appointed floor plan. Here's the front bunk, the cockpit bed that comes down. Nice and quick, easy way to sleep some more people. So here in the hallway is kind of like your main control center. You've got your multiplex precision circuits touchscreen pad where you can control all of your components in here. You can turn on the 2 different zones of heating and air, where you've got 3 roof airs actually on this coach. It's a 10 kilowatt Onan diesel gen in a 40 footer, so that's going to be more than enough cooling power. And that's all ducted AC with the whisper quiet system. And you've also got a fan in the bedroom with a high and low speed, a ceiling fan. But all that can be controlled right here. From that to your instant hot water heater, your Truma, to all your lighting. You can do slides, awnings, anything that you need to get to, all of your power management system, everything is controlled there. And just above that you have the classic Magnum energy panel, where you can set your amperage coming in on the shore power, auto gen start, turn on and off your inverter, and do anything that you need to with the battery settings. And then you've also got a few of these, the Max Air Fan remotes, for if you need to turn on those fans and you can't reach the switch. Here's the cockpit of the Berkshire XL40D. It's very nicely laid out, fancy cockpit, everything surrounding the driver, and all of the switches that you need at your fingertips for your leveling, transmission, all of your driver controls, navigation. This here is the Magnedyne touchscreen, where you can access cameras, your radio, your navigation, stream Bluetooth, and you've got turn signal side cameras as well, your engine brake, upgraded Freightliner gauges. Really nice cockpit. Well, thanks for following along with the Berkshire XL40D. It's going to be a great seller. This floor plan is dynamite. And if you need some more information, or if you want to check it out, go to our website, DeMartiniRV.com. Send me an email, Brent at DeMartini cockpit.com. If you would like a price, give me a call, 1-800-576-1921. Thanks for watching.